Chow, chow, chow. Just when I thought I was gonna give y'all some hot and spicy, we back to clocking in for them people. Do I spy new hair on the scene? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl MSLynn. Here we are, another quick wig review, baby. First impression style, honey. So big thank you to MsLynn for sending out this unit. This is a new company to the channel. I have not installed, tried, looked at any reviews on this unit, on their hair, nothing, child. Okay. So if you are interested in checking out the information for their website or a direct link to this, hopefully winner chicken dinner, definitely click in the description box down below. It will take you to all the details. So baby, we are gonna go ahead and get into this, because honey, listen, anytime they send me a hot comb and I ain't even asked for a hot comb and I need a hot comb, we off to a good start. This is their type 4C Kinky Edges 5x5 lace closure kinky straight bob wig. Woo, that's a mouthful. I do have this in 12 inches, 180% density. She does come with 4C edges and undetectable, or at least they say undetectable, lace with a 5x5 closure area. Definitely ideal for a glueless install. The hair texture on here is so thick and so freaking soft. Oh my gosh. And I do appreciate that there are full ends, so we will not have a scraggly type of bob. It looks like they did cut it pretty good. It does have like a really blunt cut look to it. Knots on here are rather medium. So we don't bleach anything on this channel. I keep it nice and beginner friendly, so I'll definitely show you how to finesse that. And I'm looking at the lace here, and she's looking yeah, she's looking a little Casper White. But I don't think it's going to be an issue to blend. It is a closure unit, and we're going to keep it glueless, we're going to keep it popping, and we're going to keep it bobbing, baby. Ow.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
Okay, I don't want to sound like a broken record, but I am going in with the Even Lace Tint Spray. This is in my Amazon storefront. Link to everything I use will definitely be there. This is in the color medium dark brown, so hopefully that picks up on camera. Just enough to give us a little melanin. I'll spray the hairline just a little bit. I did not pluck anything out of this hairline because of the kinky edges. And let's go ahead and take this baby for a spin. Alright, so let me go ahead and put on this elastic band. And whoa, Nelly, heave. Oh, wow. Okay, so a little stingy with the real estate, Mslynnhair. So this is definitely a very snug cap. Let's get into these kinky edges, boo. Okay, so I think I am going to keep this as simple as I can. I'm going to take out some of these baby hairs, not a lot. I think that's all I'm going to use. And then I'm going to go in with this hot comb And I'm just gonna try to get a little bit more of this bulk out. Okay, okay, gotcha. Thought I was feeling that middle part, huh? Alright, so I am actually going to do a side part on this unit, and I'm just going to do a couple of things. I definitely want to utilize the kinky edges here, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of the even adhesive, only because I don't have mousse, and I'm just going to place it right here. I'm gonna try my best not to do any swoopity swoops here. I try to keep this channel as beginner friendly as possible, so there are items or fillers that you can buy that will fill in your hairline, but if it is thin like me and you don't have anything like that, go in with some mascara. So I'm just gonna take some of this and I'm gonna lightly tap right into this area. Chow, chow, chow. Just when I thought I was gonna give y'all some hot and spicy, we back to clocking in for them people. Listen, so a couple of things that I would definitely improve or change with this unit, especially when it comes to kinky edges. When it comes to closures, I do wish we could find a way to have the kinky baby hair go all along the perimeter of the unit. Oh, this is actually where the kinky edges stops, and this part is my leave out. If they were able to incorporate that into the cap, I think that would be so much better, especially if you have thin edges. You won't have to finesse it the way I did. I do think that it is a little too bulky on the sides for me. With this thick textured unit, I do wish that they would actually lay off a couple of tracks, or at least lay off the tracks on the side so it does lay a little bit flatter. I did keep it really simple. I went in with the even lace tint spray, medium dark brown, and then I used a very narrow makeup brush, filled in the part, and that is the look we have today, baby. There are definitely going to be times where a unit comes with a preset part and it does not work to your liking. And one thing about this unit is they did layer the very front of this unit, so it did kind of give a really weak, unhealthy look with the bob. So once I flipped it to the side, added the part, and then just added a nice curl to it, the layers popped, baby. Okay, and I did also add a little bit of spray, I will admit, just so I can make sure that the curls did not fall and the bang actually stayed where I needed it to stay. I think the cut is good, the density is good. I love that we have full ends on here. Everything is perfect. Just incorporate the kinky hair on the perimeter of the unit and we will be good to go. So big thank you to Mslynnhair for sending out this unit. Direct link to this unit as well as a direct link to their store will be in the description box down below. Big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Definitely click that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell. Drop me a comment down below. And most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next next one.